Simple, really. You got to let people know what you're doing, because then you get your list, get your calls, get your text messages of what to pick up. And that's what we're going to do this morning. Let's go. All right. That's plastic. Oh, got me a little metal gate. That's definitely what it is. Okay, we got what we got. Good start. Let's go. Put it in the truck. This thing is, I'm entirely grateful to everybody who ever called or given me stuff to throw in the back of the truck, because I've sure have done a lot of nice things for people with the money as well as my family. So thank you, everybody. Just a lot of gratitude this morning.
1,100 feet, turn right onto Southwestern Avenue.
Yes, I'm going to turn right on Western Avenue. I'm on Western Avenue, and they're working on the middle of it out here in like Torrance, Harbor City. This just freaks me out, just how narrow it is. Oh, street, don't get killed. Bed frame and a headboard, yay! Let's get these on the truck. That's staying, okay. Oh man, microwave. I'll cut that cord later, and we'll let it go boom in the back of the truck. Here we go. But not too much of a boom. People are sleeping around here. Just a little boom. Yeah, a little boom. All right, quiet residential. Only thing worried about here is a skunk or a raccoon. And then sometimes they still park like this in LA, just right in the street. Who knew? All right. Got me a little toaster oven. Boom, boom. Gotcha. Can't fix everything. Thank you, Nextdoor app. Got some more metal for the truck. Let's go, Grandpa. All right, I love me some stainless steel metal dishwashers. Thank you for the calls, everybody. Get it on the truck, Grandpa. Man, we at the scrap yard, and you're gonna see how we do. Let's go, Grandpa. Bottom line is, don't fall and get hurt. And stay out of the drop zone. All right, so we got some of the stuff we collected earlier today, and it's gotta go. I ain't worried about trimming nothing. It's gotta go. Oh boy. Wind blowing, all kinds of stuff. Everything gotta go. So let's go. Oh boy. One piece at a time. Oh man, it's a showstopper in here today. Man, a lot of work going on tonight. Oh boy. Dusty and dirty. I ain't moving anytime soon. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Holy crap. Holy crap, man. I had 5 of them on here. Woo! This is gonna be a minute getting out of here tonight. Bro, yeah, I need a little more room to get these out of here, but I definitely have to wait until he's done. Amen to that. Got 1, 2, 3 off safely. They are heavy and you need to stay out of the drop zone, Grandpa. Okay, let's get the last 2 off and let's be safe. And the tractor's gone. Holy moly. Don't slip, don't trip. One to go on, baby. Senora, I got one more big one. Just here we go. All right. Thank you. All right, let's get this swept up, weighed and paid. Woo! Out of the wind and the cold, made a cool 150 bucks based on that price per ton, 196. Gotta be careful moving those things. That's a lot of weight, 1,720 pounds. Grateful to be home in one piece and everybody's safe. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next day's load. Let's see what happens, Grandpa.